want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, they're calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Jolie style, this ain't no last dance. Way past it. Way. Fucking on my ex cause he validate me. Fucking up a check, I don't want no receipt. Mind get possessed, let my space speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. Why my how the times change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the victim.
Oh, look at the boogers. Oh, Lord. Look at your nose. Oh. Ooh, your nose looks crazy. It's okay. It's okay, baby. Stop, baby. I have to get it off. I'm not leaving you like that. Absolutely not. All done. How you feeling today? You feel like you're getting a little better?
It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I speak living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind.
It's been a long morning already. So unfortunately, Alan is sick. It's been about 3 days and now I feel like I'm getting a little sick. So I woke up extremely early to wash my hair and do some mini twists. I thought Alan wasn't going to wake up until about like 10:15 because he did wake up in the middle of the night, but he woke up a little earlier. And yes, it is 11:06 and I'm just now making breakfast. Alan doesn't like to eat first thing in the morning and his appetite also hasn't really been there since he's been sick. So now I'm going to try to get him to eat something. For breakfast, I'm going to make him these veggie and cheese omelet bites to see how he does with this. I got it from Sprouts. Says you can put it in the microwave, but I feel like that's going to be nasty. So we're going to put it in the oven for about 15 minutes. I'll make him 2 of those. And then, I don't know, maybe something on the side, but I'm telling you guys, he's being really picky right now, so I'm not about to go all out. But I personally am starving. I've been up since 5:45. I need to eat something because I'm ready to take some vitamins, okay? I need to get this cold out the way. The crazy thing is, yesterday I was like super low energy. Today I have energy, which is great, but my throat just hurts now. On the to-do list today, now that my hair is out the way, I'm waiting for some product for a campaign. It would be fantastic to shoot the campaign today and get it edited. This is the original day they wanted it turned in. However, with Alan being sick and everything, I just was like, I don't know how likely that would be. So I asked them to push it back to Thursday. But I am just an overachiever and it would be nice to turn it in today. If not today, then tomorrow morning. Also, we need some groceries in this house. That would be nice. And we need to clean. And I mean thoroughly clean. Like everything is a mess, a disaster, dirty, not cute. I have a meeting at 2, which I don't know if Alan's gonna be down for a snack by then, but I'm certainly gonna try. Anything else? I think that's about it. We're just gonna try to get through this sick day. We're gonna try to push through it. Wish us luck. I think we're getting to the point that we're hungry. Want to eat? Being a mom is allowing your child to create additional dishes just so that way he can chill. Cause child, why is he over here playing with this strainer, having the time of his life, putting the clips in the strainer? Oh, buddy, don't throw. Not nice. You put the other one in? To be a child and so thoroughly entertained. Okay, buddy, I have to get your eggs out of the oven. So we have oranges, strawberries, and eggs with a bunch of vegetables in it. I think it has like carrots, spinach, looks like tomato. We're gonna see how he does with this. Hopefully he likes it. I know he's gonna eat the fruit for sure. And if he wants more food, then I'll just make him some more. Alan is not eating anything, honestly. I'm gonna take a ginger shot. We're gonna start with this. This is the only brand of ginger shot I can actually take. Okay, it's the only one that like it burns, but I can actually swallow it because the other ones are just so disgusting to me. I'll link it down below for you guys. Yeah, it tastes all right. It's not bad. You can get it from Publix and I think also Target. God dang, they seal this, don't they? It's spicy, but it's doable. It has lemon in it, and the lemon helps.
Oh, that's liquor. That's liquor.
Like if you drink liquor, you could drink this. Ooh, that liquor. So it has organic apple fruit juice, organic lemon fruit juice, organic ginger root juice, organic cayenne pepper. That's with a spice, and a little water. Okay. Hopefully it just cure me. I had to take a pause to try to get him to eat, and he will not eat anything. So I tried to give him some of his pouch. He don't want that either. I think I do have this like protein drink for babies I can give him and try that out. He's struggling because he can't breathe. So the fact that he can't breathe out his nose, he has to breathe out his mouth. And like the act of chewing, we all know how difficult that is. So imagine a baby who doesn't understand what the heck is going on. Like, I can't breathe, I'm trying to eat, it's just too much. So he's just like, I'd rather just not eat. Whatever he will eat, great, but I'm not gonna force him. Anyway, I'm gonna start taking my vitamins. I take vitamin D. Y'all about to be like, girl, that's a lot. Vitamin D. I could probably just get a multivitamin, but I like to know exactly what I'm having. Vitamin B12, iron, because I am anemic, okay? Vitamin C. I take macaroon. It helps with my libido, and not that I'm trying to get nasty right now, but it just, I don't know, it just makes me feel normal instead of just like, oh, get off me. Does that make sense? I don't know. Magnesium glycinate, whatever. So we're gonna start with this. Like, hello, it's giving very much pill popping animal. Cause I be pill popping. This right here, I don't like it, but I'm gonna take it. This is oil of oregano with black seed oil. Now, I know some people take the droplets, but I heard that it burns, and I'm not getting jiggy with that. So I take the soft gel capsules, and I already know because this even burns. Like when you burp, you could feel it coming out. So I could just imagine taking the droplets. Absolutely not. So I'm gonna take 2 of these because I'm really trying to stay normal here. And because I have a lot of things to do, I want to try this. This was excessive. I want to try this lion's mane mushroom liquid extract from Mary's Ruth. I heard a lot of great things about this company. And lion's mane is supposed to help you focus if you like deal with like ADHD and stuff. And while I'm not like officially like diagnosed, I am pretty sure I have it. We're gonna try a droplet of this in the mouth. We take up to 0.5 milliliters 1 to 3 times a day. So shake gently before use. Oh, it doesn't taste too bad. I don't know how much I just took. We're gonna just stop right there. It's not bad. It's kind of like vanilla. All right, I need you to work, do your thing, and give me all the energy in the world. Please, I beg of you.
My baby gonna get better before this week is over with. You hear me? Here. Here. Give me that. You gotta back up. You gotta move.
I have Alan in his playpen. I have a meeting now, but I was also trying to finish up ordering these groceries. I just feel like I never know what I actually need. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. Hi. Sorry, I didn't even know you were there.
Oh, you're totally fine. I just
I was over here clicking around on things. I was like, wait, what?
Reality Runway today, but I also have some really fun content things to share.
Okay.
I want to make sure you and I are synced on all our deals today.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I'll dive right in here.
Yeah.
I know I want to make good use of our time.
Hush, 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 hush. I'm coming to get you. Okay, quick update. We got the groceries ordered. They are already shopping. Walmart gave me free 1.5 hour delivery. So really excited about that. So we got that ordered. I gotta clean this office because Alan was in here during my meeting, y'all, and tore this place apart. okay? Literally tore it apart, so I need to clean it up and just get it reorganized. I know I need to be filming. I started this new series on TikTok called Reality Runway, which I was really excited about, and I'm still excited about it, but I have fallen behind with it because of just being busy, and then also like Alan being sick. I'm sick now. It just kind of threw things off. A real hustling bitch, okay, one that gets down and dirty and she cares about her business would start working on it when her man gets off of work, because he can help me with the baby. I can do my makeup, work on the series, and get it up. And I think that's what we need to do. And then the new episodes drop tomorrow, and then we need to start preparing for that and just like drop it immediately afterwards. That's what a real bad bitch would do, right? So for dinner, we're just having burgers, which is really easy to make. Probably some fries too. We need to tap in.
I'm out of town, thuggin' with my round. My coochie pink, my booty hole brown. Where the niggas, I'm looking for the hoes. Quit playing nigga, cause suck a bitch toe. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga eat me out. Pound town, just left Pound town. Let my nigga, he just took a bitch down.
Well, that was so short-lived because now he's screaming, crying, and it's only been like 30 minutes. And usually Alan naps for a good 2 hours. I don't know if something woke him up. I'm feeling like flustered a little bit. I'm trying to just calm down. I'm not irritated with him. I'm just irritated. I hear his dad. His dad is in the room with him. It's because he doesn't feel well. He's not eating. And I'm trying to be okay with that. I also don't feel well. I haven't slept much, but I am pushing through and trying to do as much as I possibly can, even with him feeling the way he's feeling. And it's like he's super glued to me for the most part. So when he naps, it's my time to take care of work, focus, clean, and I haven't had a chance to do any of it. So I can't wait for him to get better. Dad to the rescue, truly. Because Alan was still tired, he just took him with him to work. He's on his shoulder to just sleep. And he's finished working, so I can at least just clean and get my mind right. I'm so grateful. Pay attention to who you conceive a child with, because if you feel like a default parent, that your partner is not showing up where he needs to show up, that you have to do everything for your child on your own, baby, you had a child with the wrong person, okay? See, the problem that I have with 50-50 relationships is when they're not actually 50-50. When you're helping out with bills, but you're also doing everything around the house. You're cooking, you're cleaning, you're taking care of the children, and they just help pay bills. That is not a 50-50. That is more of like a 70-30. But I am in a true 50-50. Okay, this office is basically cleaned up for the most part. There's still a little couple of things here and there, but for the most part, it is clean. Somebody took a water out the case. Somebody took a water out the case.
Love you.
Oh my gosh, Jolie. I be in a loop, she be in a group. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living for me.
I know, I'm sorry. I know. I can't breathe. You ready? Please. I don't want it on me, so please. Oh, my baby. Okay. Thank you. Want to hold something? Here. And this? You want to hold it? I don't know why mommy brought that one, because I'm not going to use it. Let me see. Nose. Nose. I know. Shut out. Jesus help me. Hold on. No. Wait a minute. Baby, I can't see your face. Yeah, I know. little bit more. I know, baby. I'm almost done. I gotta wipe it though. You can't just have it hanging out your nose. Why are you getting in the tub? He's in the tub, but it's dry. But it's just like, why? Baby, why are you getting back in the tub? You're fully clothed.
To use that, but yeah, the sooner you connect. Abby, we are going to. We do have a minute. If anyone just had a quick question for Abby. That all communications are open and that opportunities are visible and transparent to everybody. A lot of your agents are on these recipient email lists.
My body is aching. We ate dinner. I just finished cleaning up. I feel like crap. I didn't do the 30 minutes I was supposed to do with my son, so that sucks. And I know this might sound like a little crazy. Not really, but I'm about to take a COVID test. I just want to make sure, because if I got it, I'm going to be pissed. But we're just going to pray that's not the case. Now, do these things expire? I don't know. But we sure about to find out. Because, oh, I'm going to be so pissed. Oh, I'm going to be so freaking pissed. And if I'm not mistaken, boom, we just go in the nose. I've been taking all those vitamins and stuff, and my body is literally aching. Like, aching. I was fine all day. And it could be just because I've been up since 5:45. So my body's probably, like, shutting down. It's about, like, 10:20 now. And, yes, my son is getting in the bath now. Listen, when he's sick, everything just falls off track, okay? 1, 2, 3. That tickles. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh! Put it in there. You squeeze it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Squeeze. 3 droplets of the solution on here. 1, 2, 3, and then we wait 15 minutes. Lord, I pray this is just a common cold. Negative will be just a line on the C. It's like a pregnancy test. If you get 2 lines, baby, you positive. You got it. You get 1 line, it's negative. So let's just pray for the best. Lord, please. I don't want to deal with that. No, thank you. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. I am grabbing the test. I have not looked at it. I'm scared. Where are you at? Oh, here it is. I dropped the test. Oh my gosh. It's negative. She don't got COVID. She just got a cold. She don't got COVID. She got a cold. Oh, she don't have COVID. She got a cold. She don't got COVID. It's just a cold. Period. All right, y'all. It's been a long day. I'm really exhausted. And I really don't know what this vlog was even about to begin with. But just consider this my segue back into just sharing my life with you. And you guys getting a glimpse of my everyday, not so aesthetic life. I think it's easy to like see my Instagram and think it's like all glitz and glam because it's definitely more curated content, but I really want my YouTube channel to be an insight into my life, which it was before. But life just got hectic, and I also just felt like you guys was probably bored watching my vlogs, but looking back at the comments and the views and stuff, that doesn't really seem like the case. I think I was just in my own head. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let this vlog be a reminder to extend grace to yourself. Mom life is a busy life, for sure. And we move. So I'm gonna get some sleep. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.